Most vegetable chop sueys end up being mushy, bland, and honestly kind of disappointing. But today we are making a quick, flavorful, restaurant style chop suey you will actually love. Today we are using simple vegetables that I used to find. I'm using potatoes, carrots, green beans, and cabbage. But you are not limited to those vegetables. You can add many more, including cauliflower, broccoli, peppers, bok choy, mushroom, baby corn, and even more vegetables. Now, let's prep the vegetables. First, we are going to slice the potatoes and carrots. Now, here is a pro tip for you. Make sure you cut these vegetables thinly. Thin slices cook faster and more evenly, which is exactly what we want in a stir frying. If they are too thick, they will steam instead of frying. And nobody wants soggy vegetables. Next, slice the beans. Finally, cut the cabbage. I'm going to separate the cabbage leaves and cut them into 2 to 3 inch pieces. Before we move to the next step, place a deep pot on the stove and fill it with water. Let it come to a boil while we prepare the rest of the ingredients. Now it is sauce time. Chop suey uses a thick, savory, soy-based sauce. It is much thicker than a typical stir-fry sauce. We use cornstarch to thicken this sauce. Without it, this will just run to the bottom of the plate. And the thick sauce cling to the vegetables much better. Now, let's make the sauce. You will need chicken stock, soy sauce, oyster sauce, cornstarch, sugar, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Mix until the cornstarch dissolves and set aside. We will use this sauce later. Now, let's get back to the boiling water. We are going to cook our vegetables in the boiling water briefly. This process is called blanching, and it is going to help cook the hard vegetables evenly. Put your hard vegetables into the boiling water and let them in for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you cut the vegetables thicker, they may need to be in a little longer. Now, once they are cooked, remove them with the mesh strainer and place into a bowl of ice water. The ice water is going to stop cooking the vegetables, so they will stay crunchy. Now, let's get everything together. Place a wok or large pan on medium heat and add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add finely minced garlic. Stir for about 10 seconds until fragrant. If you can smell the garlic across the kitchen, you are doing it right. If it starts turning brown in 2 seconds, your heat is too high. So you need to make sure not to burn the garlic because burnt garlic is bitter and nobody's like that. Now let's add the vegetables. First, add the cabbage and any other soft vegetables you have. Let them fry for a minute. Now add the carrots, potatoes, beans and any other hard vegetable you have. Again, fry them for another 2 minutes. This is exactly how restaurants keep everything perfectly cooked. The cabbage will soften quickly and add a little sweetness to this dish. And look at those colors already. They look fresh and delicious. Once the vegetables are cooked, it's time to add the sauce. Before adding the sauce, give it a quick mix again. Because the cornstarch we added, they tends to settle on the bottom. Stir constantly for a minute. Make sure to keep the heat medium low. You will see The sauce thickened and coat everything beautifully. And that's what we want here. Give everything one final toss. And turn off your heat. And that's it, we have made the perfect chop suey you can ever make. This vegetable chop suey tastes delicious, cheap, healthy, and it only took 15 minutes to make it. Serve this with steamed rice, or even better, pair it with some flavorful fried rice. If you want the ultimate combo, check out my fried rice recipe next and take your chop suey to the next level. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple stir fry recipes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.